everyone. Have you ever thought of selling your own stuff? Maybe you make great paintings or make great jewelry. If there is any type of stuff that you can make, or if you have a large stock of a product and want to sell it but can't find a good place to sell them. Today, I will tell you guys a way to do so. Selling products on Instagram doesn't get you a lot of sales. But if you put your product onto Daraz app, you have a higher chance of selling your products. So we will learn how to put your product onto the Daraz app. So, what are the steps? Let me first say that it is a little difficult to get your product onto the app. Since it has lots of steps. However, once it is up, you can take advantage of it. So try writing these steps down or following along with me so you don't get confused. So the first step is to download the app and sign up to the app. Enter email and other info they require. And make your own account. Step 2 is to find the registration form. Click on the Sell on Daraz button at the top of the homepage. This will lead you to the registration form. On the form, you will get lots of questions, but we will discuss each one, so you don't get confused. It's a little work, only then you can sell your product on Daraz. Click on Start Selling to view the seller registration form. This will take you to a new page where sellers can view options of the types of shop on Daraz. Local seller, Daraz mall seller, global seller, digital goods. You must pick local seller if you are selling your own products. Step number 4, filling out the form. You will have to fill in the following information in seller registration form. First question will be 1. Choose account type. Personal or corporate. Here we will proceed with a personal account. Next, 2. Shop based in, select country. 3. Mobile number. Add in a number in the required format. Slide the bar for the OTP. Once received on the provided number, put in the code for verification. 5. Password. Write a unique password. 6. Email address. Put in your email ID. 7. Shop name. Write a name for your shop business on Daraz. 8. Accept the terms and conditions. And at last, step 9. Click on the Sign Up button. Seller's to-do list. As soon as you submit the registration form, you'll proceed to the seller to-do list, which includes the following. Address book, ID information, bank information, one. Warehouse address. If you have a warehouse, you must put its address, and if you make your products at home, put your home address. 2. Business address. Address to your shop if you have, if not, put your house address again. 3. Return address. Address where they can return your stuff. Now you have put address, country, state. 'area', and lastly, 'location'. That completes the part of to-do list. Now we complete the other 3. Once you have completed this part, you have to go and click Submit. The next details are about your ID card, which is very important. You will get questions like 1. ID type, click CNIC. 2. Name on ID 3, CNIC number 4, CNIC picture, back and front. 'Then click on Submit. The next details are about your bank account. This information is also important because it is how you will get your money, so just need to focus. Here are the questions you'll get. 1. Account title, name of the account. 2. Account number 3. Bank name, HBL or another. 4. 4. Branch code, and lastly 5. Upload a clear check picture, but make sure it is empty and not filled. Once you have filled in all the information at each step, click on Submit so the last part of the to-do list is ordering the packaging. After filling out the bank information, make sure to go to Daraz website and order the packaging material as per your requirements. You can't use your own packaging, you must use Daraz. Make sure the packaging is according to your requirements. If your products are small, buy smaller packaging. Keep in mind that you can only order packaging material with your registered email ID. The sooner you order, the quicker your shop will be verified. So make sure you buy the packaging. What's next? Once you complete the to-do list, Daraz seller support team will start the process of onboarding you on Daraz, which includes verification of your provided address, ID, bank information, and packaging order number. So you will have to wait a little while, all that is confirmed. As soon as you list your products on the Seller Center, they will go through a quality control check before appearing live on Daraz's website. Once your products are approved, your shop will be live on Daraz for all the customers. Now here are some reasons why most shops get rejected on Daraz. One, in case of personal account, different account title and CNIC. 2, clear documents are not attached at some points, they do require pictures. So make sure they are clear. Check without name. Check without IBAN number mentioned, old, CNIC, or check. If your location is in the area where our services are not available, your shop will be rejected until we expand our services. If your location is in the area where Daraz services are not available, your shop will be rejected until they expand their services. Numeric shop names and shop names with Daraz or any other famous brand name will be rejected until the name is changed. If the bank check attached belongs to a fake account or an account that is not in use, in case of incomplete or incorrect address, your shop will be rejected. Incorrect order ID updated. So make sure you are careful. Congratulations, you now have a shop on Daraz.pk. Best of luck on your awesome journey. I hope you achieve your goals. I want to see you grow stronger and braver. All you need to have is a little motivation and hard work. You can achieve anything. I believe in you. Thank you. Bye.